Hello, I'm Carly Ebenstein, and I'm a specialist in long-term care working in this business for over 30 years. And I'd like to ask, what would happen if your loved one needed help with daily tasks like bathing, dressing, eating, mobility? And what would happen if they needed this help every day for months or even years? Well, long-term care is non-medical assistance with daily activities like bathing, dressing, eating, using the toilet, and mobility. It also provides assistance for people who don't have problems, physical problems in this area, but have cognitive decline. It can take place at home, in an assisted living facility, or in a nursing home. And I want you to know that it really is, these services are not covered by health insurance or Medicare for the most part. So people purchase long-term care insurance to pay for long-term care services. It helps cover these high costs of care. And policies cover care at home, assisted living facilities, adult daycare, as well as nursing homes. So why does it matter if you have long-term care insurance? Well, having this insurance protects savings and assets from being depleted by the increasing costs of care. It eases the burden on family members. It also provides choice and flexibility in care options. Right now, I have a healthy 89-year-old client who is able to continue living independently despite falls, despite imbalance and needing help with getting dressed and doing his exercises because there's someone coming to the house and helping him with these things. This is helping preserve his dignity and also providing peace of mind for his kids who purchased this policy about 20 years ago. So many times I'm asked when it's best to purchase long-term care insurance. And if you look online, you'll see suggestions about 50s or early 60s while you're still healthy. And the truth of the matter is that money pays for these policies, but health buys it. And the way I interpret that is get it while you can. Well, I do have some older clients in their late 70s who were able to get medically approved and have the money to pay for those policies, which are more expensive because they're older. I'm definitely seeing a trend with people in their 40s looking into long-term care policies because either they've been impacted by family members who did not make a plan, or they've heard stories from friends or friends of friends who are needing to take time away from their work or their own families because they're needing to support someone they really care about. There are many different kinds of plans. There are hybrid plans or traditional plans. Um, you know, there's so many different options. And that's something that an expert will help you, determine, which plan is right for you. One thing is for certain, though, if you don't purchase a policy, then basically you're exposing all of your assets to pay for care if needed. And if you're thinking that not Medicare, Medicaid is going to come to your rescue, well, Medicare is really not something you can depend on for long-term care insurance. And with Medicaid, you have to be destitute to receive benefits. And there's a 5-year look-back period. So I encourage you to consider planning early. And there's a document you can download on my website for free. I'm not going to hassle you. It does not mean you're purchasing long-term care insurance. It's really just going to help you start thinking about your priorities and what you would like when it comes to your care. I also encourage you to speak with a financial advisor and an expert like me who understands the nuances and intricacies of the different plans that are available. In the end, long-term care insurance isn't just about insurance. It's about peace of mind for you and your family. Thank you for your interest and time, and I hope to speak with you soon. I'm Carly Ebenstein.